Hi everyone, Rana is here. Welcome to our RANA SIR educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is arithmetic progression. It is also written in shortcut form, that is AP. A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. Now in this chapter you have to focus on 3 points. That is, 1 point is sequence. So you have to know what is the concept of sequence. You have to know clearly, and then because started in previous class I have already explained it, that is described about sequence. And second point is progression. And already I have also described and relationship between progression and sequence. I have told you about one concept and you have to remember that concept, because each and every progression can be a sequence, but any sequence we cannot say each and every sequence can be a progression. Okay student, now further I have also explained about the concept of arithmetic progression. So further, when I will resolve the question, that is I will solve the numerical from the textbook, at that time again I will explain. Okay student, so you concentrate on this live video from starting to end for developing good knowledge, your concept about this topic. Okay student, simultaneously you also like this live video, share this live video with your colleagues, friend and student, and also subscribe this educational channel with your colleagues, friend and student. Also they can improve their knowledge on this topic. Topic name is the arithmetic progression, that is also written in shortcut form, that is the AP series, that is the arithmetic progression. Okay student, now here I have to explain about what is the real meaning of arithmetic progression, how we have to calculate common difference of any sequence which is given in the question. Okay student, so first I am going to explain about the topic. That topic is the arithmetic progression, and this is the subject whose name is mathematics class 10th medium, class 10th English medium. And also we have to explain, this is also we have to explain according to the NCERT pattern, that is CBSE board. Okay student, now first of all I have to explain the information about the arithmetic progression. Okay students, so you concentrate on this video from starting to end for getting, developing good knowledge on this topic. Okay student, so I am saying this is the class 10th mathematics which is English medium, and also I will say this is the based on NCERT pattern, and also its board will be CBSE board. Okay student, now this is the class, this is the chapter number 5, and its name is arithmetic progression. It is also written in short form, that is the AP. Now before starting question, again I will explain the concept of sequence, progression and arithmetic progression. Okay student, after knowing it, and then I will evaluate some information, that is some questions which are asked in the question. Okay student, so first of all I have to explain about the sequence. Sequence is very simple, because that is a sequence is a list. A sequence is a list arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule. That is called sequence. In other words, we can say that if any sequence I will write like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So I will say here second number is obtained by adding 2 in the preceding number, except first term. Okay student, so this information is called the sequence, and in the progression we can say that those sequences whose terms always follow certain patterns, those sequences whose terms always follow the certain patterns, that is called the progression. but each and every sequences cannot be a progression, but each and every progression can be a sequence. We have to note this information always. Okay, students. Now further I am going to explain about the concept of progression, that is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a very simple. I can say arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each and every term can be obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number except the first term. That is called the arithmetic progression. And that fixed number, I will say the common difference of the sequence. So that common difference can be a positive, can be negative or zero. So this information I say that is the arithmetic progression. Okay, student. Now that fixed number we have to obtain, that number is also called common difference. So if any sequence will be given, so we have to find the common difference. It means that if any series which is available and that series will have a definite rule, and that rule is the fixed number which is added in the preceding number, and after adding I will get the next number. That is called the progression. So that common difference I will obtain. Okay, student. Now in concentrate some question I have taken from the textbook, and you see how we have to calculate the common difference of the given number. Okay, student. Now you see on the blackboard one question I have taken from the textbook, and that question is written here. Find the common difference of the following APs. A stands for arithmetic, P stands for progression, and S stands, that is the S is available, that is in many series are available here. Okay, so here plural form of AP is written. Okay, student. Now one question is written here, that is a sequence. This is a sequence, and if this sequence will be written with in a definite, that sequence is written with a definite order, with a definite rule. So that rule I will say that is the arithmetic progression. Later I will read about the geometric progression and also harmonic progression. But first of all, we have to explain this topic, arithmetic progression. If each and every concept of the arithmetic progression and some questions which are based on the arithmetic progression, I will explain. That is, I will solve. After solving, I will also explain about the concept of geometric progression and also harmonic progression. That is the next topic. So here one sequence is given. That sequence is written. I have to read it. You listen carefully. 3, minus 2. Here I have to write clearly minus 2, minus 7, minus 12, and so on. So here in the question is saying you have to find the common difference of the AP series. So we have to find the common difference. So in the common difference, that is in the arithmetic progression, the definition of arithmetic progression already I have told you. The arithmetic progression is the list of numbers. In which next each and every number can be obtained by adding a fixed number, and that fixed number is called the common difference of that arithmetic progression. That common difference can be positive or negative or zero. That will depend on according to the question. Okay, student. Same concept I will apply to find the common difference. Means common difference means we will get the fixed number of the AP series. Okay, student. So here in concept this here one series is given like 3, minus 2, minus 7, minus 12, and so on. So we have to find here common difference. So now I am going to write that find the common difference of the given sequence, and that sequence is existing in the form of AP. Okay, students. So how we have to get the common difference of AP? So first of all, I will write information. First of all, I will write the solution. Okay, student. After writing solution, I will say given that. Here I will write given that. Given that, I will say first I am writing here A1 whose value is 3. So here I have put the value of A1 is 3. Now I will put the value of A2 here, available -2, so I will put here -2. Now the value of A3, I will write here -7. -7 is available, so I will put here -7. And the value of A4, the value of A4 is given here -12, and so on. We have to write and so on. So if any question is given, so that question we have to solve. First of all, I have to write given, right? So information, given information, I have to write 3. I will assign in A1 the value of 3. I will assign in A1 the value of -2. I will assign in A2, and so on. The value of -7 I will assign in A3, and the value of -12 I will assign in A4. Okay, student. Now we have to get common difference because in the question gave common difference. So common difference can be written common difference I have to write here. That common difference in short form I will write CD. C stands for common and D stands for difference. That will be the A2 minus A1. Now second, I have defined in the question. Each and every term can be obtained. Each and every term can be obtained by adding a fixed number in the preceding number. Yeah, to the preceding number. So preceding number is 3 and forward number is -2. So here I will write A2 minus A1. So its value I will obtain. A2, the value of A2 is -2. So here I will write -2. And minus is available in the question, that is formula. So I will put here minus, and the value of A1 I have to put here 3. So 2 has also minus sign and 3 has also minus sign. So here I will add, but sign will be minus. So -2 and -3, it will be -5. Okay, student. So I have got the common difference of this series, and that is available in AP. So that formula of AP will be that common difference is equal to CD, which is equal to A2 minus A1. So this information I will put in the rectangle box for remembering it. If any sequence which is given, so the common difference of that sequence I can obtain. Next term minus previous term, that value will be the common difference of the given series. If I will take any two consecutive number, and I will take the common difference of such consecutive numbers, and then you will get the same value. It means that series will be AP, because here I have got already in the question written this sequence is available in AP, is in AP, already given in the question. So this sequence is in AP, so we have to get the common difference. That common difference will be A2 minus A1. So the value of A2 I have written from the question, that is -2, and the value of A1 is 3, and minus is available in the question. So after simplifying, I have to write here -5. So this AP has common difference -5. Okay, student. If I have taken these two terms, and these two terms are the consecutive terms. Now further I will take these two terms consecutive, and after taking common, so I will get same common difference. So common difference here I will say common difference, that is D2. Now second common difference I am computing. So its value is, that is A3. So here I will write A3, and minus is available in the formula, minus A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. So again I will put its value of A3, which is available here -7. So I will put here -7, and minus is available in the formula. I will put minus sign here, and in the bracket I will write the value of A2. The value of A2 is available here -2. So I will put here -2. So after resolving, that is after solving, I will get this value. So -7 is available, so I will put here -7, and here you have to concentrate on this point, because the student will do mistake at this point, because here there are two signs. Here we will multiply both signs, and after multiplication I will get a single sign. So multiplication of minus into minus, that will be plus, because if multiplication of minus into minus, that will be plus, and one will be plus and other will be plus. So its multiplication will be plus, and one will be minus and second will be plus. So its multiplication will be minus, and first will be plus and second will be minus. So its multiplication will be minus. The student has to concentrate on this point. If both signs will be same, so I will take its positive sign. If both signs will be different, in this case I will put there minus. Okay, student. So here both signs are same, so I will put here plus. So this will be plus. So one is 7. Here is minus 7 and here is plus 2. So after subtracting, I will get its value will be minus 5. So if I will take any two consecutive number and I will take a common difference, and that those common difference will be same, so I will say that sequence will be in 80, because this is the concept of 80. A fixed number is added to the preceding number to get next number. So same concept I have applied here. After applying, and then I have got that fixed number, and that fixed number is also called the AP of the is common difference, CD. CD a common difference of that ABCD. Okay, student. So further here I will write common difference is minus 5. This is final answer of my given question number 1. So I will say this is the common difference and this is the answer. So common difference in this case I have found minus 5. Okay, student. So I hope that you are knowing its answer very well, because if any series is given and that series is saying that series is available in 80, so you have to find the common difference of that series. So you have to write the after number minus previous number, that is after number minus previous number, that will be the common difference of that AP series. So in other words, we can write a formula for the common difference, and that common difference is equal to common difference I will write here C, and also in the place of D I will write here D. So common difference in shortcut I will write common difference is equal to 80 minus 7. If next two number I will take both number can be consecutive. Common difference, if any student will take, any student will find from the series, so the student has to take the consecutive number. If student will take the consecutive number, in other words we can say that if student has to take a common difference of this series, so one student will take minus 7 and other that student has to take minus 12. So you will get the common difference, that will be 10. Otherwise a student will take minus 2 and minus 12, that is wrong. Okay, student. So student has to take consecutive number. Consecutive number can be 3 minus 2 r, minus 2 minus 7 r, minus 7 minus 12. So these are the consecutive numbers, and after taking consecutive number you have to use formula common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. That is the formula for getting the common difference of an arithmetic progression. Okay, students. So further I am going to erase this solution, and then I will solve the solution of the question number 2. Okay, students. Same formula you will also apply in second question. This is also available in AP series. This is available in AP series, and you have to find also common difference of this series. So formula you have to remember, common difference is equal to second term minus first term. This is the general formula you have to remember. If any series is given and in that series one question is writing, you have to find the common difference of that series. So you have to write a formula. That formula will be such that common difference is equal to second term minus first term. So this formula student has to write, and if any sequence is given in any form, so with the help of this formula, student have to simplify the information. After simplify the information, the student will get a value, and that value will be the fixed value, and that fixed value is called the common difference of that arithmetic progression. Okay, student. Now this solution I am going to erase, and after erasing I will solve the question number 2, and that series is available. That series their sequence is available immediately, and I will use the formula how to get the common difference of AP series. So that formula I will use, and I will also simplify. After simplify, I will get a value, and that value will be fixed value, and that fixed value is called common difference, and that a number is that number is the number which is added in the testing number for getting the forward number, that is next number. Okay, student. So I will use same concept of finding the value of common difference in the question number 2. Okay, student. Now solution of question number 1 I am going to erase. After erasing, I will solve the question number 2 properly and positively. Okay, student. Now you see here. Now we have to give the solution of question number 2. First of all, I have to write here solution, and then I will write given that. So what information is given, I have to write here clearly given that. Now I will say first term I am writing here A1 whose value is 5 say 1 by 2. It is also written as I will multiply 2 into 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So after simplify, I will write 5 to the 10 plus 1 divided by 2. It will be 11 divided by 2. Okay, student. Similarly, I will write second term. The value of second term I am assigning in A2. That is written 9 say 1 by 2. So its value I will assign in A2. Okay, student, if you are doing very well, so you like this live video, and also you share this video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic, how to get the common difference of an AP series. Okay, student, and also you subscribe this education channel. Okay, student. Now the value of this value 9 say 1 by 2, its value I am going to assign in A2. Now further I will simplify. I will write 2 into 9. Here I will write 2 into 9 plus 1 divided by 2. After solving, I will say 9 to the 18 plus 19 divided by 2. Okay, student. Now we have to find the common difference of this AP series. We have to find the common difference of this AP series. That will be 90 divided by 2. This one. So here I will write common difference, because I have to find the common difference that is asked in the question. Common difference is also written in shortcut for CD, or I will say D, and the value of D will be A2 minus A1. So here I have to write its value. So A2 value is 19 divided by 2 minus 11 divided by 2. Okay, student. Now further I will simplify it. So here in shortcut I am saying this is D. D is equal to A2 minus 7, and its value is 19 divided by 2 minus 11 divided by 2. Here I will write imply that. Students, you have to focus on this point very clearly, because here this is the denominator, this is the numerator, and this is the denominator. Here this is the numerator, and here the denominator. This is the like fraction. It means that if you are feeling this is the like fraction, so you have to take in numerator. you have to take in numerator. Here I am going to write d, which is equal to, we have to write numerator 2, and here we will write 19 minus 11. Okay student, further I have to simplify it. Here I will write, imply that d is equal to, here I will subtract 11 from 19. So after subtraction I will write this will be 8 divided 8, this will be 8 divided by 2. So I will simplify it. 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. Here I will write 4. So here I am getting the value of d. The value of b, which is equal to 4. I am getting its value is 4. So each and every student has to focus how to calculate its value. So by that is simple. Student has to write all information, and each and every value student has to assign in a particular, in a general form, that is a constant. I will take a1, a2, a3 and so on, and I will assign its value, and after that I will simplify it in fraction form. After simplifying, then I will write the formula for the arithmetic progression, how we have to calculate the arithmetic progression. That formula can be written here. Common difference, that is CD. In C stands for common and D stands for difference. So I will write here CD is equal to CD. In shortcut form I will write that is D. That CD is equal to A2 minus A1. That is I will subtract A2 minus A1. That is before number minus previous number. I will write here A2 minus A1, and I will put the value of A2 here written, that is written 971 by 2. It is after simplification I have got its value 19 divided by 2, and the value of A1 I have got here 11 divided by 2. So value of A2 I have to put here, and value of A1 I have to also put here. After subtracting, and I will get, after simplifying, I will get the value of B is equal to 4. So here separately I have written, this is the common difference, the value of the common difference, and that common difference is written with a constant, that is the D, and its value is 4. So here after solving its common difference, I have got its value is 4. So each and every student has to obtain common difference of AP by applying proper method how to get the common difference. So common difference can be written in shortcut form CB, or in other words we can also written D. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is second number minus first number. We have to write D is equal to second number minus first number. If any sequence is given and we have to find the common difference of that sequence number, so we have to assign the value of first term in A1 and second term in A2, and then we have to take common difference. In second term minus first term, I will get a fixed number, and that fixed number will be the common difference of the given AP series. So this is the required way how to find the common difference of the given sequence. Okay, sequence. Okay, sequence. In other words, we can say that series. Okay, student. So if any sequence is given, so it is very easy to find the common difference of that arithmetic progression. So each and every student has to find common difference of any arithmetic progression. Okay, student. So this is one question, and this question, such question can be asked in the exam. If you will find the unit term of an AP, so you have to find the value of common difference. So first of all, you have to learn about the common difference, how common difference is obtained from a given sequence. So this information you have to learn, because if you will know how to get the common difference of a AP series or AP sequence, so you will find common difference, and if unit term is asked of the given series, so you can easily obtain, because this sequence is given as 3, minus 2, minus 7, minus 12 and so on. If anyone will say, you tell me what will be the unit term of this sequence, so you first of all you have to know how we have to get the common difference of the sequence. If we will know, so nth term we can already obtain in the started class, that is previous class already I had explained with you about nth term of an AP series. Nth term of an AP series is as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. So an is the unit term of the AP series of an AP series, and a is the first term of that AP series, and n is the number of term, and d is the common difference of that AP series. So common difference we will get, and first term is also given, and we have to get nth term, so we can easily obtain that nth term. Okay student, so this is the way how to get the common difference of an AP series, and also how to get the nth term of an AP series. Okay student, now further I am going to erase this one, and after erasing this one, if any nth term will be given, and that nth term is existing in arithmetic progression, that is existing in arithmetic progression, from that nth term we have to find the common difference. Okay student, so if series is given, so we can find the common difference, that is very easy. Now if any unit term is given, and that unit term is available in arithmetic progression, from that unit term we have to get also common difference. Okay student, after reading this topic, then we will also explain if any series is given, we have to find unit term and also sum of that unit term also. Okay student, so now some question I am going to take. If any unit term is given, and that unit term is existing in the arithmetic progression. Okay students, so further I am going to erase this question and also its solution. For solving another question, and in that question I have to also find common difference, but in that question is not given sequence, that is given nth term. From nth term I have to get common difference. Okay student, so I am going to take some question from textbook, and that question also related in arithmetic progression. Okay students, so here one question is available, so that question I am going to write, so that the sequences, now I will say this is the question number 2, so that here I have to show, so that the sequences defined defined by the nth term, by the nth term 3 plus n by 4, 3 plus n divided by 4. This is the nth term of an AP. We have to show it from an AP. From an AP. Also find the common difference of it. Also find the common difference of it. Also find the common difference of it. Okay students, so here we have to explain this, so that the sequences defined by the nth term, that nth term is written in this form. Here 3 plus n divided by 4, that nth term is written from an AP. So, and also find the common difference of it. We have to find the common difference of it also. So first of all we have to show this is the nth term. Okay student, So we have to find first unit term. So first of all, I will say solution, and that unit term is given here. I have to write given that. So given that is that I will say an, which is given 3 plus n divided by 4. Okay, student. So given that an is equal to 3 plus n divided by 4, it is given. Now we have to explain this is the nth term of an AP series, and after explaining this is the nth term of an AP series, it means that we will say the common difference of each and every consecutive term are same. If common difference will be same, so I will say that nth term is existing in the AP series. So I will say hence it is proved. Now also saying also find the common difference of it, and we have to find common difference. It means that already I have calculated common difference, so I will say the common difference that AP series will be this one. So one by one I have to explain both information. First of all, we have to show the given sequence which is available in unit form that is available in AP series. So each consecutive term I will take I will calculate common difference, and each common difference will be same. So I will say this unit term will follow will existing. This common term will exist in arithmetic progression, and I will also write what will be the common difference in that unit term. That value I will write, and that value will be the common difference of it. It means this unit term, common difference of this unit term. Okay, students. So here I will put the value of n. N is the here I will say value of n. I will take n. The value of n I will put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I will put up to n. Okay, students. So I will take from 1. So I will take from 1. So I will take here is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. So I will put this. I will say this is the equation number 1, and here I will write one statement putting the value of n, which is equal to 1 in the equation number 1, and then we get. So one time I am going to write information. After writing information, and you will follow the same procedure for getting the value of a2, which n is equal to 2. So here I will write putting the value of n is equal to 1 in equation number 1 we get. So after putting, I will get its value. So here in equation number 1 I will put n is equal to 1. So I will get a1, which is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 4. After simplify, it will be 4 divided by 4. I will say it is 1. So I am going to write it. I am going to arrange the value of a1, which is equal to 1. I have got it from the information. Again, I will write next step putting the value of n. Putting the value of n is equal to 2 in equation 1 we get. So in equation 1 I will put in the place of n is equal to 2. So I will write in the left hand side a2 is equal to 3 plus 2 divided by 4. So its value 3 plus 2, that will be 5 divided by 4. So here I will write the value of a2, which is equal to 5 divided by 4. Because further I will take the common difference, and common difference of each and every consecutive term will be same. So I will say this unit term is existing in arithmetic progression. Okay, students. Now I will write next putting the value of n, which is equal to 3 in equation 1, and then we get. So again I will write here a3, which is equal to 3 plus 3 divided by 4, which is equal to 6 divided by 4. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6. This will be 3 divided by 2. Now the value of A3 I have to write here. A3 is equal to 3 divided by 2, and so on. I will also get the value of A4. Okay students, so further I have to also write one statement putting the value of n, which is equal to 4 in equation number 1, and then we get. So in the place of n I have to put here 4, and then I will simplify 3 plus 4 divided by 4. So I will write after simplification 7 divided by 4. 7 divided by 4. So this information I have to also write A4. The value of A4, which is equal to 7 divided by 4. Okay students, similarly you will get nth term. That nth term will be an, which is equal to 3 plus n divided by 4, that is given in the question. Okay student, so A1 we have to calculate the value of A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, An. So this will be a sequence. So each and every sequence cannot be a progression, but each and every progression can be a sequence. Now further I will get its common difference. If common difference will be same in each two consecutive numbers, so I will say that series is existing and that sequence is existing in arithmetic progression. So this condition is completed. That is written here, so that. So one part I have completed. Now next part I will write common difference of that arithmetic progression. That will be the second answer of the given question. Okay student, now further I am going to erase this information, and after erasing it I will further calculate the consecutive. So here I consecutive number difference. Here I will write common difference of two consecutive numbers. Here I will write. Here I have to write common difference of two consecutive numbers. Two consecutive numbers. Here I am going to say D1. That will be A2 minus A1. So I will calculate its value. 5 divided by 4, the value of A2 is 5 divided by 4, and the value of A1 is 1. So after simplification I will get its value. 5 on the 4 on the 4 minus 5. So 1 divided by 4. Its value after simplification I will get its value will be 1 by 4. Okay student, because here we have to take LCM. Now one question I am going to explain in detail. After explaining in detail, and you have to follow the same procedure for getting its value. So here I will write 4 into 1, and I will multiply this term, and also I will multiply this term. So after multiplication I will write downside. So here 4 into 1 I will write after multiplication 5 into 1, and here minus is given, so I will put here minus 1 into 4. So after multiplication I will write 5 minus 4 divided by 4 1 is 4. So here I will write 1 divided by 4. So before I have written here 1 divided by 4. Okay students, this is the procedure for solving any question which are available in partial fraction, which are available in rational fraction. If value are existing in rational fraction, so this is the procedure for calculating its value. We are simplifying its value. This is the value of numerator and this is the value of denominator, and I will take the LCM of 4 and 1, that will be 4. Here I have written, and 1 is multiplied with this one, and this one is multiplied with this denominator, and after multiplication I will simplify. After simplify I will get the value of numerator is 1 and the value of denominator will be 4. So 1 by 4 is written. Okay, student. Now this is the common difference of these two consecutive I have calculated. Now further I am going to take these two consecutive numbers. So I will write the common difference of other two consecutive numbers. So D2, that will be A3 minus A1. This is the A2. This is the formula and student has to remember. Second term minus first term. So this is the second term and this will be first term, this will be second term if I have to take these two consecutive numbers. Okay, so second term minus first term. So the value of A3 I have to write here. The value of A3 is A1 3 divided by 2 and the value of A1. The value of A3 is A1 3 divided by 2 and the value of A3 is A1 5 divided by 4. Okay, student. Now further I have to simplify this one also. I will use same procedure here also. After writing procedure and I have to simplify it. After simplification I will get its value. Okay, students. Now here again I will take LCM. So 2 into 4, that will be 2 into 4 and I will multiply 4 into 3, that will be 12 and this will be 5 into 2, that will be minus 10. So its value will be 2 divided by 2 into 4. So 2 1 that 2, 2 1 that 2. It will be 1 by 10. Again its value will be 1 by 4. So the value of D1 I have D1 is constant and its value is 1 by 4. And D2 is also constant and its value is also 1 by 4. Again I have to calculate the value of D3. So I will take these two consecutive terms. So in these two consecutive terms, I will say this is the first term and this will be the second term. So I will subtract second term minus first term. That will be the constant common difference, and that common difference is called the fixed number. Okay, student. Now I have to calculate the D3. Now table information I am going to erase because I have to calculate the value of D3 also. Okay, students, so the value of D3 will be A4 minus A3. Now the value of A4 is available here 7 divided by 4. 7 divided by 4 and here minus is available in the formula and the value of A3 I have to put here 3 divided by 2. Again I will take LCM. So 4 into 2 we have to write 2 into 4 and 7 is multiplied with 2, that will be 14 and minus is available here, so I will have to put here minus and 4 into 3, that will be 12. So again I will subtract 12 from 14, that will be 2 divided by 2 into 4. So again I will say 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, it will be 1 divided by 4. So in each and every cases I am getting the value of D, which is equal to 1 by 4. So I will write one statement. I will write one statement here. Here D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to and so on. That is equal to 1 by 4. So if any term is given and I will get the common difference of any two consecutive numbers, so all the common difference will be same. So I will say that unit term is existing in arithmetic progression. So here I will write one statement. According to common difference, I will say that according to common difference, given unit term is and AP series. Okay, students, so one question has been completed, so I will write hence proved. So this is the answer which is asked in the question. Okay, so this is the answer which is asked in the question. That is, so we have to prove that this unit term is an AP. So I have created information and I have assigned the first terms, the value of second term, third term, fourth term, R2, and after assigning I have got the common difference of any two consecutive numbers, and after calculating and all common difference are same. It means that this is the condition for arithmetic progression. Therefore, I will say according to common difference, unit term common difference given unit term is an AP series. Given unit term will be an AP series. Therefore, I will say is proved that that solution of that question has been completed. Okay, student. So after explaining it, second part is also available here. I will also give its solution. Find the common difference. Also find the common difference of it. Means we have to find the common difference of that unit instance. Already I have obtained the common difference of that unit that will be 1 by 4. So here I will say the solution of second question which is available in the given question. Now further I am going to erase this one, and after erasing I will say the common difference of the given series. Answer of second question. Answer of the given question. Here I will write answer of second information. Answer of second information. Answer of second information is common difference. Common difference will be 1 by 4. Common difference will be 1 by 4 of the unit term of the unit of the given unit term of the given unit term. So this is the second answer. So this is the second answer of the given information. And this is the first answer I have already proved. Okay, student. So there are two types of question can be asked in your exam, and this question can be asked in CBSE board or UP board, and solution can be given like this. First of all, any series is given, so you have to find the common difference of that series. So first term you have to assign in A1, and second term A2, and third term A3, and fourth term A4, and so on. And you have to take two consecutive number, and then you have to get the common difference of that both consecutive numbers. If common difference, the value of the common difference will be same, so I have to say that the given sequence is an AP series. Okay, student, this is the one question. And second question, if any unit term is given and we have to find and we have to prove that series is in an AP, so I will write that unit term, and after writing unit term I have to put the value of n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n, and after that we have to find the value of A1, A2, A3, and so on, and we have to find the value of common difference of two consecutive terms, and after getting the common difference of two consecutive terms and all common difference will be same, then I will say the given unit term will be in AP. And another question will ask, you find also common difference, so you have already calculated the common difference of unit term, and that will be the same value of the common difference of the unit term. So you have to write same information. Okay, students. So according to this way, you have to solve any given question which are available in the arithmetic progression. So this is the method how to calculate the common difference of an AP series. Okay, student, if you are getting any confusion, so you comment and I will see your comment. After looking your comment, I will explain the answer of your comment positively. Okay, student, and always one information I am going to tell you, and you have to follow it positively and properly. Because if any student who needs its solution in English, so already I have prepared it, and already I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, and that video you will find in the video section, and you go there and you learn from there. Already I have I teach, and I had explained the concept and solution of the numericals related real number, also the concept of polynomial, and also solution, and then pair of linear equation in two variables, and also some question I have already prepared and uploaded in YouTube channel, and you will find in video section. And there is also available about the quadratic equation, concept of quadratic equation, and also some solution of the questions which are available in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, student, and now next chapter I am also teaching with you about the concept of arithmetic progression. And here I have already described the concept of arithmetic progression, how to find the nth term in any series which is given in arithmetic progression. You have to find the common difference. So the method of common difference already I have explained. Common difference will be the second term minus first term. So second term minus first term, so minus is available in the formula, and here you have to concentrate and how you have to calculate, because you will know how to find the common difference. Then you can also find the unit term of the given series via sequence, and also you can also get the solution of the a series, the sum of the given series in the arithmetic progression. So the concept and also the numericals I will complete, and then after completing we will also explain the concept of geometric progression and arithmetic progression. Okay, student, so you always present positively with live video from starting to end now, and this is the free online coaching classes, and you have to give your time, that is 7 to 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 15 minutes past to 8 p.m. Okay, student, so always I will present in this time slot, and you have to follow positively this time slot for getting advantage. Okay, student, because this is the free online coaching classes, and you have to attend it. Okay, student, thank you for watching this live video, and also positively attending this live video for getting developing or improving your knowledge on this topic. That is topic is also the arithmetic progression, and this is the class 10th mathematics. Okay, student, similarly after explaining it as per requirement, I will also explain the concept of mathematics which is available in class 11th and 12th also. Okay, student, so each and every student has to focus positively for getting the solution of any series which is written in the arithmetic progression. Okay, students, so finally I am going to write the formula how to get the common difference that is written in short form, that is CD, and it is also written small b, which is equal to b minus a. So b minus a, I will say b is the second term, here I will write second term, and a is the first term, here I have to write first term, here b, a is the first term. Okay, student, so each and every student has to follow it positively for getting its knowledge. So the student has to remember this is the common difference which is available in arithmetic progression. Common difference that is written in shortcut form CD, that is D is equal to B minus A. B is known as the second term and A is known as the first term. Here I have already used A1, this is the first term, A2 that is second term, and when I have calculated the common difference, so second term A2 minus A1 I have written. So that formula is existing here. So each and every student has to follow this common difference. D is equal to B minus A, and B is written as second term and A is written as first term. Okay student, so you post to the following. Okay student, so thank you for watching this live video. If you have any comments, so you write in comment section, and I will see that your comment, and then I will reply your solution of your comment question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.